GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question number 50. A reservoir with a live storage of 300 million cubic meter irrigates 40,000 hectares of a crop with two fillings of the reservoir. If the base period of the crop is 120 days, the duty of the crop needs to be found in hectares per cubic rounded off to the nearest integer. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. The useful data for this problem is the equation of duty, which is given as 8.64 B over delta. To understand this equation, let us assume a crop field where crops have been grown and water is being provided to this crop field at the rate of 1 meter cube per second. So the amount of water that will be provided to this crop in the period of B days will be B times 86,400, which is the number of seconds in a day, into 1 meter cube per second. This would give the whole quantity in meter cube. And also using the concept of duty and delta, we can obtain the water provided as duty into delta into 1, as the discharge is 1 meter cube per second, into 10 to the power 4, as D is taken in hectares, so we will need to convert it to square meters, and this would give it in meters cube. On comparing these two equations, we would get D as 8.64 B over delta. In this question, storage of the reservoir has been given as 300 million meter cube, which is 300 into 10 to the power 6 meter cube. The total storage that is needed is two fillings of the reservoir, which would give it to be around 600 into 10 to the power 6 meter cube. Delta can be calculated as 600 into 10 to the power 6, that is the water required amount, divided by the area of the field, that would be 40,000 hectares into 10 to the power 4. This is in meter cube and this would be in meter square. The resulting quantity would be 1.5 meters. Now, using the equation of duty and delta, which is 8.64 B over delta, we can get the duty as 8.64 into base period was given as 120 days divided by 1.5, which was obtained here. We would get this as 8.64 times 80, which will be around 691.2 hectares per cubic. The question instructs us to round it off to the nearest integer, which will be 691 hectare per cubic. So a reservoir's live storage was provided and the crop field area was given as 40,000 hectares. The base period was given as 120 days. Using the equation of duty, which is D equals 8.64 B over delta, the duty of the crop was obtained as 691. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.